Co-location data center is basically when a business does not want to build their own data center facility, so they basically rent it out. So a co-location facility provides basically the bandwidth, power, cooling, the facility, the security. You have a lot of servers, electrical equipment, so you get a lot of heat going on with those pieces of equipment that can cause a fire. Part of the building may be under construction, so you're going to have fuel sources there, building materials, people welding, things like that cause a fire. Also, the power, you have battery backups and diesel generators that have fuel sources there as well. So a lot of sources that could potentially cause a hazard or fire. A lot of these co-location facilities, they protect invaluable data. I mean, it could be stuff for the government, it could be national security data and equipment. It's the revenue stream for most businesses. So again, if their particular data center went down and if they didn't have a backup, they could go out of business. They could lose millions of dollars of revenue, hundreds of thousands of dollars of revenue, which again could put them in a big bind or potentially out of business. A good example of a co-location facility and a long-term customer of FIKE is Switch Communications. They are nationwide. They currently have facilities in Las Vegas, Reno, Nevada, Grand Rapids, Michigan, and they're currently about to start another one. The best thing about any of our products, or for somebody like Switch, is it's got a green lights, it's on the wall, it works, and when it's called upon, it will work, but when it's not, I never hear anything. I never even know it's there. Whether it's our tech support, our engineers, if an issue comes up, we respond. We listen to them as a customer. We've customized products for them. We understand their needs. We understand where they're going their business, and we try to adapt with them and grow with them, and which is how we hopefully make them happy, and we both grow and get more business together that way.